In this video we are going to discuss about crude oil futures as well as that in Indian rupee price. So today is the 23rd August 2024, so that Friday, that early hours of the Indian Standard Time. So that right now the price is in Indian rupees trading at about the live 6,144. So this is the September 19th expiry contract. Hi, I'm Kumar. So in front of that chart of the WTI crude oil futures CFD, right now the trading at about $73.08. So this is the point right now that is just now that the European market opened the early hours of the Friday. So this is $73.08 at this moment. So this is a after positive inventory that is day before yesterday. That inventory that that expected withdrawal was to be 2.003 million barrels, whereas the actual withdrawal is the 4.649. It means that is a positive inventory. That inventory 15 minutes candle cycle was to be that is a positive. This is in front of it the 15 minutes candle cycle. So this is a positive that while on the declaration of done on that day before yesterday. So that one time is the fluctuated that candle, the 15 minutes candle was positive, then after the big fall we seen. So now come to the point about that weekend comments, that is the early weekend comments on Friday itself on live. So come to the point right now that is in front of the daily data chart which is showing. So this is the bottom of price what we range provided, that our observation range was to be that bottom side is activated, so that is that $72, and as well as that is middle, and this is top of that is 80, that one is the 85. So altogether this was to be that after expiry of this contract, so that was to be the price was bottomed at $71.58, I think so. This red candle is $71.46 actually. So that is but our observation 72, and that activated price is 71.46 in the last week, that is in this week. So come to the point about this is our observation range altogether. This is actually that is this year, this is the point where this year of 71.88 is activated. So that is cutoff was done. So altogether this is the second bottom. So in the recent time of last 4 weeks, the previous one is to be that the price was traded about 71.67 on 5th of August, and now the 23rd of August, but the 22nd of August, this is activated again within a short time after a spike to the level of to $80.16. So this is in 4 days, and then the next it means that at about 8 candles that what we seen that is again to the bottom. So there is crucial point of that $72 around, and that is actually my observation of range is to be that this is the support of observation in the daily data. This please might not, it is not for today, so that is as the weekend comments, so that is for the projection. So this is our observation of 71.55 that was activated nearly about, I think so, this is a 75.46. so this price was activated 71.51, and that if not, then it is about the early projection, two projections support of the projections given that is a 69.10. altogether this is the year there is last year and the level of price. So that altogether the crucial technical observation here that was to be that really there is a, if it is not stand, then what next, that is a matter. So that this is the candle of next candle was seen the big green, so that is allowed to think about the positive again to be that rally towards the upside. That will be upside or level to be that is in next month, especially in this contract in the next month, that is a month of September will before expiry, we'll see that is what level to be the probability. So this is a sum of I mean to be that a BTST call applicable here, that what we KTA Profit Club KS Profit Club doing. So that was to be that our I mean to be that Excel practice to be that bought at about that was to be we'll discuss in 50 minutes candle cycle. This is weekend comments that what I discussing observing, and to be that is this is the crucial support range is activated positively again, the second bottom out at this moment. So technically this is a bottom price, and fundamentally that to be that maybe the differ, but of course that is that yesterday the Thursday it is shown that the positively then we will think the positive, that whatever your stop loss is very much important than your buying price. So now in front of you that WTI crude oil M6 Indian rupee price. So this is the daily data chart in front of you. So that was to be our observation of support and the resistance, that what we provided here, that in Indian rupee price the bottom support is 60.65, whereas the top resistance is 70.65. that was to be range what we projected in the early. So that was to be activated. Right now this is a 60.65 activated. The list of price of 60.20 is activated, that is a day before yesterday. And that what we see in that very next candle, the green though. So that we are interested about the BTST. This is only Excel practice call we providing here, that was to be in front of you. So come to the point about this is daily data chart of M6 price, that right now trading about 6143. It means 6143 at this moment. This is the candle of daily data chart. Candle is right now the live. So now come to the point of the 50 minutes candle cycle on Friday the live. So right now the trading at about, this is the candle right now, that is after Europe market open, that rise 6143. This is the candle. So whereas that is the opening price is to be, that is yesterday closing is 6156, and this is the first candle that the range of was activated at 6139 and 6150 altogether, that is acting still that price. So that is a 6143, whereas that is the actually today that is a BTST, that is what we discussed is that the Profit Club with BTST call of 2024, that August 2nd call. This is a bought at about 61.45. It means right now the 61.44. So that is around of $71.08 when the early hours. So that is stop loss we discuss, to be that provided, that is up to you. So that where you to keep your stop losses. This is here that two stop losses given of 61.18 and 60.79. That so one is to be that protective, second is to be that is save. That all to be that depends upon that condition. So the target is to be, expectation is to 62.65 and 62.73. The probability is for today. The very this is to be a provisional carry forward plan. Whereas that is the yesterday's, that what we done is it about, that is the Profit Club. The call number one is to be 60.43. The stop loss was 60.21. So that was to be activated here. That the point that when that we call given. So and to close it that. Close at M6 closing time. So at about 61.73 is what the to be given target is to be that activated the second target. So that is that one again we bought as the call number today. So whereas that is our observation. So that whatever the stop losses that it to be depend of individual. So this is whatever here discussion is on the basis of that is the profit saving. So this is a resistance. So the probability is to be 62, 65, 62, 95. That for today. Whereas the support is to be 62. This is actually given that for yesterday, that was to be again to be the carrier. So but this is just for yesterday discussion. Whereas that is our stop losses according to the positional is to be that this is to be supposed to be maintained. So this is our plan. So this is the carry forward position. So that is the whatever that the risk is bare. So that is a crucial level of that. To be the second bottom out in the very short period of 21 days. Altogether, this is to be the update about the WTI crude oil weekend comments, especially in M6 as well as the dollar terms. So now we will discuss about the in dollar terms. So here this is a live of Friday. So the price is right now there in 50-minute candle cycle after Europe market open, that $63.06 right now the price. This is a candle, whereas that we activated that our BTST call off, that is a Profit Club, that is a level of bought at about $671.08. that whatever the target to be depends. So that what we discussed here, that M6 price is given the target, that all to be that what we discussed is the same price of that is 74.65 and 75.30. that to be that may possible, may not be possible. So that is our observation. So altogether this is super trend supposed to be resistance for some more hours maybe probability, and 200 DM here, that is a $70.60. that to be the key of observation. So that may be possible to be activated. So altogether your stop loss is to be depend of your risk control. Altogether the profit control, it depends. So that all to be the matter of individual. So come to the point yesterday that what we to be our Profit Club. So the call number one of that this month, the BTST call of 60.43. So that was activated. Stop loss is given 60.21. that the target was achieved. So that is this is a closed call and to be activated and closed call as per that is a XL. So altogether this is a candle that inventory, so that was to be that a positive inventory, the negative down, the price movement what we seen, but the very 50 minutes candle cycle was positive, then after the price was dropped on day before yesterday. Altogether this is the happened the last week, that is in this week, and the projections of that weekend comments already discussed in this video. So this is about the WTI crude oil futures, CFD, and also MCX live right now trading as of what we started the video when that is 61.44 the price right now. Also there is still is to be the price is live availability 61.44, whereas we bought it about 61.45 price. So altogether stop loss is must for your practical activity. So this is the conclusion of that Fridays as well as that weekend comments in this video. Good luck.